local weather authority forecast.
Another very mild morning basin-wide. Current temperature in the Tall City, 78 degrees, and a live look at the Tall City itself. Thanks to our Roof Spy Nicola Sky Tracker, those skies beginning to light up as the sun is about to rise within the next 10, 15, 20 minutes. And as that sun rises, so are those temperatures, so are those winds, and so will we be seeing more cloud coverage, higher chance of rainfall in the western part of our viewing area, and we need that rainfall. The latest update within the drought monitor, we do notice widespread exceptional to extreme drought, exceptional drought in those darker reds in the Trans-Pecos, extreme drought in the southern part of our viewing area. It's not just been dry in the basin, but for much of Texas, including the central part of the state of Texas. So we need the rainfall. The good news today is that we're likely to see some chances of rain in parts of the basin. Earlier, we saw some rain showers and even rumbles of thunder in northwest Lee County. Moving off to the north and west now, some lighter rain showers in the Davis Mountains, also dwindling down in intensity with leftover clouds and humidity in those locations. In the western part of our viewing area, that is where we may be seeing higher chances of rainfall today, as most of those storms will be very isolated and very few and far between. In the northern part of our viewing area, drier conditions in the lower levels of the atmosphere will hinder most storm development, even though this model is showing some rain showers and rumbles of thunder in places like Andrews, Seminole, La Mesa even, maybe some storms in the Trans-Pecos, Marfa, Alpine, and also in southeast New Mexico. Temperatures will warm up before then, though. Average high this time of year, 96 degrees in the Tall City. I think we'll reach 102 with a low temperature of 77 degrees, mostly sunny skies. Again, seasonably hot air across the basin, temperatures 5 to 10 degrees above normal with strong winds at times. And with the increase in humidity, temperatures may be feeling like 105 and 110, so make sure you guys are cooling off any way you guys can. Temperatures starting out pretty mild. Current temperature 67 degrees in Marfa. The initial conditions within this model just a little bit off. Widespread upper 70s and low to mid 80s right now. It's going to be warming up, folks, before those storms start to fire off right around 3 or 4 o'clock. Widespread triple digits, well above 100 degrees in parts of the Trans-Pecos, close to 105, 110, just like yesterday. Got to 103 degrees yesterday in the Tall City. I'm predicting 102 degrees today. Cooler later today because of some storms that may cool things off even in the northern basin in the 70s and 80s. Similar conditions in places like Marfa and Alpine. Mild conditions overnight in the 80s, partly to mostly clear skies, lingering clouds and humidity with lighter winds out of the south-southeast at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Those southerly and easterly winds not only bring in slightly above normal temperatures, but more humid conditions. Those winds gusting close to 30 to 40 miles per hour later this morning and throughout the afternoon, especially in those yellow-colored areas where we could be seeing some storms in the Trans-Pecos and especially in the northwest part of our viewing area. Lighter winds overnight, so tomorrow morning it'll be a pleasant morning and a mild morning. Low temperature right around 77 degrees. Stronger winds later in the morning out of the south-southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. We'll be a little bit cloudier, more humid tomorrow. As a result, slightly cooler. Again, today 102 degrees in Midland, 99 degrees tomorrow, mid to upper 90s this weekend, and eventually higher chances of much needed rainfall later next week.